Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back today finally with a new video, and I'm just showing you how I set up my skincare fridge. I ordered this for a Christmas present to myself from Nordstrom, and of course I got the black one because this is the Luxe Minimalist, duh. So if you want to see how I set up my skincare fridge, just keep watching. Okay y'all, so I ordered myself a Christmas gift and it just came, and it's a few days before Christmas, but I kind of want to open it. Something I'm really excited about, so I think I'm just going to do it. You probably saw a lot of these on social media already. I got a black one because of course Luxe Minimalist. But you can use it for all of these different uses, but I am going to use it for beauty and skincare, of course. So I'm excited to get this set up and get some of my skincare in there. I'm just going to put it by my makeup. So this is what I have right now. I might turn it this way just to save space, or I might even put it on top there, and then put my makeup brushes next to the makeup storage. But I'll let you know how that turns out. But for right now, I just took some skincare products that I know I want to put in there and see if they fit. And then I have the instructions here. Apparently you can use the USB. Let's open the wires. Let's see what it comes with. So it comes with a normal wall plug. It comes with a car adapter. And it comes with a USB plug. So you can use this on the go. I'm just going to be using it at home, so I am not going to use these two, but I will use this one. So it's already getting cool, and then this is what it looks like on the inside. So basically you have a top row. I don't know if this is, yes, this is removable, so you can just slide the tray out and just slide it back in, and then there's this little door. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there's this little door here, and they give you a little bit of info, so if anyone needs that. So I am just going to start putting stuff in. So I have a few different face mists. What is this? The Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. So I'm going to put that in. I have the Cooluli Beauty Elixir, and this is the limited edition one in the pink bottle. So that fits. So something like this is a bit taller. This is the Elizabeth Arden 8-Hour Miracle Hydrating Mist. That won't fit with the top shelf. I don't know if I need the top shelf yet, so I'm just gonna put this to the side and see if I actually need the top shelf. Then I have my beauty roller, the jade roller. So that can either go, on the side, or maybe not. It's gonna keep falling. So that can go up top for now. I have my Glossier Bubble Wrap eye and lip cream, so that can go right in. I have my Fresh Youth Preserve eye cream. I'll just set that at the top for a second. I have my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Skin Booster Serum. I have my Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask. I also have this little container of minis, skincare minis. The only one I would really want in here calendula, the mask, this eye cream, and then this serum. So I can put the eye cream up there. All of that fits. Now I want to see if I can fit some of my sheet masks on the door. I've seen people put sheet masks on the door, but now I'm like, that is way too small. I have some samples here that can fit. Let's see. Okay, so those two fit. I mean, this one could fit if I forced it. So they fit, but like my bigger Dr. Jart mask won't fit. Like not even if I put them in here, they won't fit. I'm gonna try taking out the top shelf and see if that's any better. Okay, so this is how it looks without the little divider row. Okay, so if I do it like this, those fit better. And then now I can fit this. I mean, it needs to go in there because having a face mist that is cool when you spray it is just like, it's unlike anything else I've ever tried. And I can take some of those masks off the door. Sneak those in there. Okay, so that is everything in my skincare fridge. I took the little tray out. I have some face masks on the door. I'm gonna get some under eye masks that are individually wrapped and put in here, but I have all of my eye creams, some moisturizers, some face masks, and some face mists in there. So yeah, that is what I have in my skincare fridge. I can't wait to use all of my products now that they're gonna be nice and cool before I put them on. And that just helps with like soothing the skin, depuffing, and also it just feels good. So if you want to see things that I add to my skincare fridge, or if you want an update after I've used it for a while, just let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to get that up for you. I'll have the fridge link below. It's sold out on Nordstrom now, but I'm pretty sure I can find it somewhere else, so I'll link that below. And thank you for watching. I'll be back with more videos. I promise I won't go on that long of a hiatus again. But yeah, I just wanted to show you my skincare fridge. I'm super excited. So Merry Christmas to myself and to you. Bye.